Hi, Milorad here. I am in my kitchen ready to make marinara sauce. Marinara sauce is very famous sauce and it can be used with any kind of pasta, and it's one of the best known Italian sauces. And it's very easy to make. It requires just several ingredients, and that's what I'm going to do today. Here I have these tomatoes on the vine, and I have several Roma tomatoes. I hope they are from Rome, or they just give them that name. Then I have parsley. Very important to use parsley, not cilantro, because in Europe we don't know what cilantro is. And then here we have onions, just a plain yellow onions. And here I have several cloves of garlic. Only two ingredients are missing, and these are basil, and I also use a little bit of thyme in marinara sauce. And then after sauce is done, I will kind of pull that thyme out. I will not chop it. I will just use it just to flavor the sauce. And as you can see, I don't have basil here or thyme, but I have it in my garden. And now we will go back there and to pick up some thyme and of course basil. Let's go outside and see. As you can see, I am oh, look at that, look who's coming. Okay, go try to get her. Well, that's the stray cat that lives in the neighborhood, but this one usually comes here, and I feed her, not every day, but sometimes I feed her. And when she saw me, she just came in. But anyway, we are here to pick up some basil and some thyme. Here I have several plants of basil, and then I will just go and pick up some basil leaves. These are good. I'm going to take those, the bigger leaves that I can find. Okay. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful, big basil leaf. I think I have enough. There's a handful of basil. And here I have thyme, and for thyme I will just go and take maybe just two. Okay, this is 2 pieces of thyme, and I will just keep it like this. I will not chop it. Keep it like this, and then at the end, after marinara sauce is done, I will just take them out. Okay, let's go in and start cooking. You left?
Yeah.
Okay, just washing my thyme and basil as well. I have all my ingredients ready. 2 types of tomatoes, tomato on the vine and Roma tomatoes. I have my parsley here, I have onions here, I have garlic here, and now I have this thyme and of course basil from my garden. That's all ingredients that I need. Let's start cooking. First thing I'm going to do is I need to peel the skin of these tomatoes. And because the skin of tomato is kind of very difficult to eat and it's not really digestible, and that's why I need to take it off. And I will take off this skin with two ways. And one way will be put some of these tomatoes in boiled water. First, we need to kind of score these tomatoes. I have this little paring knife and I will just score tomatoes, and it will be easier to peel. And I will actually do some tests how to peel tomatoes. There's very different ways to do it. First way that we're going to show is put very hot water over tomatoes, and I will do this right now. Completely submerged. And the second one is we have a pot here that we will use the rest of the water. Add much more because there's not enough. We will add more and more water. And here we will just blanch these 4 tomatoes. I need this water to be hot, and blanching will take only a minute, but water needs to be hot. In the meantime, we can go back here and see what's happening with these. I will also keep them here just for maybe a minute or 2, and then we will see if we can peel them easy. Okay, I think I have it here for a minute or maybe 2 minutes, and now I'm ready to move them into this ice water. And why are we doing that ice water bath? It's nothing but to be able actually to hold these tomatoes. Otherwise they are too hot and you cannot hold them. Okay, now let's see. Look at that. Look at that. Skin is peeling off easily. Look at that. It's completely off, and I will just cut this from tomato, slice them couple and put them in this bowl. That was Roma tomato. Now let's see how it goes with tomato on the vine. Same, very, very easy. Very easy to peel. Okay. This one too. Okay, now let's see if this method is any better or worse or the same. Okay, let me leave them in this cold water for a minute or 2. Yeah, I can. Okay, here it's also very easy to peel. Okay, maybe even easier. Maybe because we kind of blanched them maybe a little bit longer. Okay, that was tomato on the vine, and same thing with Roma. Pretty easy to peel. Okay, just to take bottom out. Okay. Actually, it doesn't matter what kind of method you're using. It's easy to peel tomatoes just using hot water or blanch them. Okay, I have this potato masher that I will use kind of to mash these tomatoes. I should probably use a bigger bowl because this one is too small, and I don't want to press it too hard, and I don't want these tomatoes actually to go everywhere in the kitchen. But I see lots of juice coming. This is going to be good. We are ready to start cooking marinara sauce. I have here extra virgin olive oil, and we will use a really good amount olive oil, as you can see here. And first thing to add are those chopped onions. Okay, temperature down. Onions and garlic as well. Of course, wooden spatula. It seems a lot of onions and garlic, but that's okay because we have lots of tomatoes as well. Okay, this is going to soften, and I'm not going to brown it. I don't need to. It's just to soften it a little bit before I add other ingredients. We have onions and garlic cooked just a little bit to soften them. Now we will add these tomatoes.
It looks good.
It looks good. It's still a little bit chunky, but after those cook, they will kind of be much smaller. And I actually prefer to have a little bit chunkier sauce than if it's kind of I prefer a little bit chunkier sauce than those kind of puree. Okay, we are cooking this marinara sauce actually only tomato and onions for a couple minutes now. Now I'm going to add parsley first, Good amount of parsley. And this will add the flavor and the color as well. Next, I have these 2 pieces of thyme, and I will keep them like this because I will remove them later on. And this is basil from my garden. This looks really good.
It smells good.
Smells good too. No other ingredients, just a basic marinara sauce that you can use with all kind of dishes later on. I'm going to taste this marinara sauce. Whew, so good, so good. And now I will actually use this piece of biscuit and coat it . Wow, this can be a meal. You don't need anything else. Oh, this is so good.
Life is good in the neighborhood. Not too hot for you?
Just perfect, just perfect. And when I'm going to use it in different pasta, I will probably add some spice like crushed red peppers, something like that. But now it's just right amount of sweetness and wow, it's really good. Okay, I think that's it for today. My marinara sauce is cooked. I will just wait maybe a couple hours before I go and put it in the jar and put it in the fridge for later use. Thank you very much for watching, making marinara sauce from the scratch, not using any canned tomatoes or whatever they use, those famous chefs. My marinara sauce is made from scratch. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is what is left of that marinara sauce in this one container. I can probably use it 2 times, and it's cool enough. Now I can just put it in the fridge, and it can stay in the fridge for probably even a week, but I'm sure it's not going to last that long. Okay, that's about it about cooking marinara sauce from scratch. Thank you very much. Milorad out.